Stop burning hundreds of dollars on different AI tools. I used to pay for ChatGPT, Gemini Pro, VEO 3, Kling, Runway, and Hilo, all just to get my workflow going. But what if I told you there's one AI tool that does all of it? Notes, videos, animations, writing, for the price of a single coffee. I was tired of burning cash on subscriptions that didn't even work well together. As a content creator, I use AI every single day. But here's the problem. Every task needs a different tool. Writing my scripts, that's ChatGPT or Gemini. Social media content, Grok's great for that. Image generation, I've got Midjourney, Leonardo, and Flux in 3 separate tabs. And don't even get me started on video. Kling, VO3, Runway, Hilo, it's all over the place. Each tool has its own UI, its own subscription, its own credit system, and it's burning a hole in my wallet every month. But recently, I found one tool that made me pause. It had everything I use, literally all of it, in one place. And the pricing, wildly cheap. It's called Easemate AI. And today I'll show you how this one tool helped me cancel 5 other subscriptions and finally gave me a workflow that feels like it was built for creators like us. It's fast. It's clean. It actually works. But before we dive in, let me show you why those subscriptions you're paying for right now are secretly draining you. Let me walk you through it. Let's start with the first tool I use every single day, AI chat models. Whether I'm writing a YouTube script, brainstorming Twitter threads, or outlining a new product idea, I rely on the best. And Easemate gives me access to GPT-5, still the gold standard for writing long-form logical content. Gemini 2.5 Pro, super fast, great at research-heavy tasks and summaries. Grok 4, perfect for punchy, witty replies, tweets, and short-form ideas. And I can switch between them in one click. No need to hop between platforms. Each model lives inside the same interface, so I just paste my task and choose the brain I want to use. Done. Next up, image generation. If you're a creator, designer, or product seller, you already know how crucial this is. On Easemate, I get access to all the tools I used to pay for separately. Midjourney, for that artsy, aesthetic style. Flux AI, if I want realistic lighting and variations. And even GPT-4o's built-in image model, which is getting scary good. What I love is that I can switch models on the fly. Same prompt, different styles, faster comparisons. And there's a built-in image-to-video pipeline that makes these images animate ready. We'll get to that next. Next is video generation. This is where things get crazy. If you've been using AI video tools like I have, you know the pain. Kling is great, but limited to free credits. VO3 looks amazing, but it's gated and expensive. Runway and C-Dance are fast, but quality varies. Hilo has impressive camera movement, but again, yet another dashboard to manage. Easemate solves this. You get access to VO3, both fast and pro, Kling Master Plus Pro plus 1.6, Runway Gen 2, C-Dance, Hilo, WAN 2.2, and more all in one place. All with prompt memory, reusable assets, consistent upscaling, and the ability to add motion, characters, and audio from a single workspace. Honestly, I created full cinematic sequences using nothing but Easemate's dashboard. It's that good. Here's where it gets even better. Besides chat, images, and video, Easemate also includes some insanely useful extras. AI Translator. Translate text or scripts in multiple voices and accents. Prompt Optimizer, one of my favorites. Paste your rough idea, and it auto-converts it into a cinematic prompt for any model. Audio tools. Upload your voice, sync it with generated characters. Code tools, AI avatars, and even AI search bots, all built in. This feels like the first true all-in-one AI creation suite. Not a jack of all trades, but actually good at everything. Now the pricing. If I break down what I used to pay monthly, GPT-5 and Gemini Pro, $40. Midjourney plus Leonardo, $40 plus. VO3, Kling, Hilo, Runway, easily $100 plus. C-Dance credits, another $30 plus. That's over $200 plus per month just to run my creative workflow. With Easemate, it not only has a free plan, but its light plan costs only $9 a month, and Pro plan costs only $20 a month. Extra credits are cheap and flexible. No tricks, no overages. It's honestly absurd that this exists, and I'm not sure how long it'll stay this cheap. If you're a content creator, video editor, product seller, or just someone who loves AI, this tool is a no-brainer. Instead of managing 7 tools, you just use one. If you want to try Easemate AI, I've dropped my special link and code in the description. Gives you access to everything, plus discounts on top of already cheap plans. One AI tool, all your models, no chaos. Go check it out and thank me later.